In this video, we are going to discuss how to register a bite for making mandibular advancement devices. We need a protrusive bite for making the mandibular advancement devices because a protrusive bite will keep the lower jaw and the tongue further ahead and thus keep the airway patent. So there are many devices that are being used for registering this protrusive bite for making mandibular advancement devices. One of the most commonly used device is called the George gauge. So this is the George gauge, and this George gauge has got two components. One is the holder and the other one is the bite fork. We fit this bite fork into the holder in this manner and bring it to the 0 mark. When we get this to the 0 mark, you will see that the lower incisal edge space and the upper incisal space are both matching perfectly. Okay, and then when we ask the patient to protrude, the patient will move the protrusion, the lower jaw, towards the front, and this is how it will move. And then we'll ask the patient to retrude, and in the retrusion, this is how the movement will happen. And this will help us understand the maximum movement of the lower jaw. Yeah, now we give a trial to the patient and explain the patient what the patient is supposed to do. So, thond banda kara, bite please. Yeah, just make sure that the midlines are matching perfectly. Yeah, they are, and the patient is edge to edge. Now go backwards. Go backwards. Yes, very good. So he's gone backwards till about 6 millimeters. Okay, now come forward. Come forward. Come forward. Come. Oh, wonderful. He's come to about 6 millimeters in the most anterior, most protrusive position. Thank you. So we see that the patient in the most retruded position went till about 6 millimeters. And in the most protrusive position came till about 6 millimeters on the other side of the 0, which means his maximum mandibular movement is 12 millimeters. Half of that, 50%, is about 6 millimeters. So what we are now going to do is keep this position at the 0 marking, because that is exactly 6 millimeters and 50% of his mandibular movement. Now we will take the bite registration material and register the bite. So this is the bite registration material ready, and as I told you, we have tightened this nut at 50% of the mandibular movement, and now I am going to ask the patient to bite in this position and make sure that the midlines are matching well. I have put the incisor lower in its place in the center, midline. Bite, 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 bite. Maage gaya. Piche, 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 piche le. Yes. Abhi hilana nahi. Don't move. Yeah. So now here it is. The midlines are matching. Everything is in place. And this is my bite position for making the mandibular advancement device. Okay, so now the bite registration material is all set. Please open. And now I take this out, and this is my protruded bite at 50% of his mandibular movement. Now I loosen this nut, take the bite fork out, disinfect the bite fork, and send this to the lab with the models. Or if you have taken a digital impression, just send the bite fork to the lab for making the mandibular advancement device. So this completes the procedure for taking a bite for making a mandibular advancement device. Thank you.